Welcome to this tutorial on how to change currency in Etsy. As an Etsy seller, it is essential to understand how to work with different currencies to expand your customer base and increase sales. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of changing currency in Etsy step by step. First, you need to log into your Etsy account and go to the Shop Manager section. This is where you can manage your shop settings, including currency. To access the Shop Manager, click on the Sell on Etsy button at the top right corner of the page and select Shop Manager from the drop-down menu. Once you are in the Shop Manager, click on the Settings icon, which is represented by a gear. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your shop, including currency. Scroll down to the Regional section and click on the Currency link. In the Currency section, you can select the currency you want to use for your shop. Etsy allows you to choose from a wide range of currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Select the currency you want to use and click Save Changes. It is essential to note that changing your currency will affect the pricing of your items. If you change your currency, the prices of your items will be converted to the new currency. To avoid any confusion, make sure to update the prices of your items accordingly. Another important thing to consider is the exchange rate. Etsy uses the current exchange rate to convert the prices of your items. However, you can also set a fixed exchange rate if you prefer. To do this, go to the Currency section and click on the Advanced link. Here, you can set a fixed exchange rate and select the date range for which the rate applies. In addition to changing the currency, you can also set the language and region for your shop. This will help you to target customers in specific regions and languages. To do this, go to the Regional section and select the language and region you want to target. In conclusion, changing currency in Etsy is a straightforward process that can help you to expand your customer base and increase sales. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily change the currency of your shop and start selling to customers in different regions. Remember to update the prices of your items and set a fixed exchange rate if necessary. With these tips, you can successfully change currency in Etsy and take your shop to the next level.